That red piece went flying. Probably lost forever. Oh, hey guys, welcome to the channel, Austin EV Only. Today we're going to be working on a 3-part series to paint our calipers red. We probably should get the powder coated, but gosh, you know what? I am cheap. So we are going to paint them with spray paint, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. Coming up. The important thing to note about the Tesla is putting the Tesla into tow mode so that the back wheel can freely spin, as well as jack mode so that I can jack it up. So follow along here and we'll see if we can get this into tow mode and jack mode. The jack mode is the easy one. I know where that is. So we're going to come to controls. We have to step on the brake. Okay. So now that I stepped on the brake, go to suspension, hit jack one time and wait. Okay, it shows that the tire's off the wheel. So we're in jack mode there. And then tow mode, that one's a little harder. Let's see if I can figure this one out. Yeah, I believe it's under settings. Forgive me as I go around here. Let's see, service maybe? There we go. And then tow mode on. Okay, shift to park on the steering column to cancel tow mode. Okay, so tow mode is enabled. So when I let off the brake, you probably couldn't see it, but I felt it. It rolled forward and onto the block. So that's it. That is the secret sauce behind getting a Tesla ready to change out the brakes. Okay, so I started by taking off the wheels. There's no rocket science there. What I wanted to get into, first thing is you can see I've already jacked up the car. So the secret about the Tesla brakes are that even though they have a Tesla nameplate on them, they're actually Brembo brakes. Like any other brakes, 4-piston. There's tons of videos out there on how to change brake pads, on how to paint brake calipers. Any of those videos would be fine, in addition to mine, on how to do that. The unique thing about the Tesla is that it has this additional parking brake here. And in order to get this parking brake off, first we have to set the car in tow mode, and then we have to get the brake off, which is a little bit different. So that's what we're going to focus on here in this video, is how to remove the parking brake. And then I'll go on to paint, the brakes here, both of them, the normal caliper brake and the parking brake, just so you can see. But I wanted you to know that there's nothing special about these brakes. They're actually Brembo brand brakes. So any video on how to change pads on a Brembo or how to paint calipers would get you done. Okay, and now the moment that we've all been waiting for, we're going to talk about getting this parking brake. This is what's different, this electronically controlled parking brake from other brake jobs that I've done. This is my first time doing it. There are two 16mm bolts on the back side here holding this in place. So I'm going to unratchet those. Again, don't forget to put this in tow mode to release the brake. I'm going to switch to now that I broke the tension, I'm going to switch to a smaller ratchet. You can see by the free spin that the tow has been released. I wonder if my air is powerful enough to do this. I'm going to give it a try here. Okay, so we got our two long bolts out here, and now we got to be careful. It's connected electronically, remember, so there's an electrical connection back here. I don't want to stress the wires. So let me bring it over here. There's a red tab there. Get some needle nose and see what happens when I push on that tab. Stay right there. I'll be right back.
One pair of pants later.
Okay, so I'm going to pull on this. Okay, fantastic. That red piece went flying. Probably lost forever. Back in there somewhere. Let's see if I can pull this out in the meantime. So there's a rubber boot and a zip tie covering everything up. And I'm just trying to wiggle the zip tie off so that potentially it could be reused. Okay, cool. Got the zip tie off. And then now there's a rubber boot over everything. See what happens if I wiggle that around. Maybe it's vinyl. Maybe it's tape. It's tape, not rubber. So I'm untaping it. There we go. Cool. Little clamp there. Got it. Okay. Ugh. So we got it out. Just down here so we all can see what we're looking at here. From this point on, there's nothing specific about the Tesla. You can watch my other videos on how to uninstall Brembo brakes and how to paint brake calipers. Folks, thanks for watching. This has been a really fun project. I wanted to especially thank those who watched all 3 of my videos. Don't forget, if this was helpful for you, please like, please subscribe. That's how we make more videos, and we hope to see you again real soon. Dad Who Does. Thanks.